What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Let's take some time to talk about Jasmy really quick because while I mentioned that where we stand in the last, and maybe a couple of videos ago, I talked about the fact that maybe we are looking at a buying opportunity at these levels around the 3 cent level. This may be the low of, kind of that next step up. Typically, when you see growth and you see that stair step up, you need to see the bottom of that step before you see the top of that step, right? It goes like this, and you see that stair step up, whether it's kind of angled a little bit and you see the bottom or the base of that step before you see the top of that step, right? But obviously, going on the way up, that top of that step is higher than the previous top of the other step. Does that make sense? So I wanted to talk about Jasmy Coin, maybe go through a little bit of a simple analysis and why I believe that where we stand could be, kind of the low area of what we're expecting unless we see the entire market get hit, which we're currently seeing the market get hit a little bit. But with Jasmy Coin, we have a little bit of a trend that we want to stick towards and looking at one specific indicator here. Now, does this mean this will 100% be the case? No, it doesn't mean that. But I know there are people that are trying to find the best opportunity to buy Jasmy, the best opportunity to hold Jasmy, and kind of that low area so that they don't have to go through too much negativity, if any, honestly. Especially if you're trading within Margex, you're looking for a larger gain and you're looking for no negativity, because if you see any negativity, you have a chance of getting liquidated. So before we get into this video, make sure you guys hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter and follow me on Patreon, those links are in the description. Now, don't forget about Margex. That link is at the top of the description. They are a partner with the channel. They do a lot for this channel, so I appreciate you guys if you go ahead and click that link and check it out at least. You can get or trade up to 50x leverage on Jasmy Coin. You can trade up to 100x leverage on BTC and Ethereum and BNB, and then even trade meme coins. So go ahead and check it out. It is a little bit risky because you're leverage trading versus regular trading, but you also can reap a huge reward if you are right in these situations and you're a good trader. Now, Jasmy Coin currently stands at a level of 3.1 cents. Almost 3.2, right? If you round up because of the 5, right? It's currently down 16.7, 16.8% in the last day, in the last 24 hours. You can see my value is down to $31,400. I hold 1,000,000 Jasmy Coin. I held since it was at 40% of a penny. And we're currently seeing it at a $1.5 billion market cap with $224 million worth of volume. Inherently negative volume, because obviously that's how you see more negativity in the day, is a lot of sell volume that goes through. Now, in the last 7 days, this is down by 11%. So we've seen this at a little bit lower of a point where it started, but you can see here how it hit this double touch point, and you could have probably predicted that 4 cents will probably be a high level if you were looking at the last 7 days and how that has come down to 3 cents, 3.2 cents, 3.1 cents, right? Currently looking at a 14.45% volume to market cap ratio, so you still have that level of popularity, and you know all the different places where you can get it. If you don't know, you can get it on Coinbase, you can get it on Binance, you can get it on Kraken. You have 100 different trading pairs that you can partner up Jasmy Coin with, so it is available pretty much everywhere. You don't have to worry about the inaccessibility of getting this position. It's accessible, right? But what I wanted to do in this video is not only take you through exactly what happened in the last 7 days versus the last month, which is up 54% or 723% in the last year. What I want to talk about is the kind of just a little bit of a breakdown in what I see within here, right? A simple breakdown, not anything overly complex. I never like to make it complex, because once you start throwing 5 or 10 different indicators at people, showing people different levels that it could get to based on, different patterns and all that stuff that's there, it ends up looking getting people very confused and looking very confused. You guys just check out. So to make it very simple, let's look at where we stand after a larger increase versus the low point of where that is, and then kind of the timeline and where I expect that to be and where it to hit its low if we're going to go off of a pattern. But you know that the only reason we're seeing this drop is not just because of Jasmy coin, it's because of the overall market. So things may change based on that. But if we look at this and we understand and we have a bigger outlook all the way from October 2023, we can see how this has kind of leveled out here, skyrocketed off of the 50 moving average. That's what we're looking at, the 50 moving average. It increased all the way up to a high point, which was 27 or 2.7 cents, and then had a larger decrease here. That larger decrease kind of established exactly where that low was going to be, multiple touch points at these lows before it decided to bounce off of this 200 EMA. Now hit the 200 EMA at a low point, but you can expect to see kind of that same level as you get closer to the 50 moving average. It's at 200 EMA. But you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 different candlesticks there within these time frames to kind of look at everything. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's right here. And that's where I expect it to kind of be. So where we stand with 3 cents, we're going to see this kind of be at the same level of 3.1 cents for it to take off and break out. Now, that's basically saying it goes from March 24th all the way over here to April 29th. So seeing about a month of this to kind of level out or have a kind of a descending level of support as well as a resistance, and then end up breaking out off of that level, which you may see, which currently it's at June 17th. So you could see around the July 17th mark, which a lot of people predict within July, we will see Ethereum ETFs that will go live and it will push up. So it does kind of tell me that we're getting prepared to see that. However, do we expect to see, weeks of negativity? I don't generally expect to see weeks of negativity, but anything could happen. So I just wanted to break this down in a very simple way of looking at it. Does this mean this is 100% going to happen? No, it doesn't mean that. But look for the, July, the 17th, July, what was it? We're looking at the 4th of March, and then we're looking at a full month, or we're seeing the 29th of April. So, it's definitely well over a month. You may end up looking at 2 months at that point. So maybe it's July, maybe it's August, to where you see you see Jasmy coin that ends up making a larger move that's there. So I don't know why I said it was a month. It's a little over a month, or closer to 2 months, honestly. So anyways, let me know what you think about this. I always like to make it very simple in what I see. But again, the only reason we're seeing this downturn is not just because of Jasmy coin. And honestly, the only reason we saw this downturn was not also just because of Jasmy coin. It was everything that was honestly pulling back from those levels. But we could expect to see this kind of a level out here and kind of get comfortable with the 50 moving average, and then skyrocket off of that and push up. I would love to see it hit certain levels by the end of the year. I've said that I want to see it at I would love to see it at 5 to 10 cents, all the way up to 20 cents within this time frame. I would absolutely be ecstatic if it was between 20 and 50 cents. That's my kind of goal in the end, is 20 to 50 cents to at least establish something and start something if I don't capture a large profit from Margex and what I have over here. So anyways, guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon. Those links are in the description. And don't forget about Margex. That is in the description as well. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.